Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Draw.io on Windows. To get started, download the latest release of OpenJDK for Windows. Then we'll download the Apache Tomcat installer. And finally, we'll grab the latest release of Draw.io from GitHub. With all the downloads completed, navigate to your downloads directory and extract OpenJDK. Navigate inside the extracted folder, then rename the subfolder OpenJDK. Cut the renamed OpenJDK folder to your clipboard, then navigate to C Program Files and paste it here. Navigate inside the copied OpenJDK folder, then copy the current path to your clipboard. Right-click on the Start menu and select System. Click on Advanced System Settings, then Environment Variables. Create a new system variable with the name Java_home and paste the path to OpenJDK, then click OK. Click OK to the remaining open dialog windows and close out of Windows Settings. Back in the Downloads directory, execute the Apache Tomcat installer. Step through the installer until you reach Choose Components. Then expand Tomcat and check Service Startup and Native, and uncheck Start Menu Items, Documentation, and Manager. Then click Next. Change the port to 8000, then click Next. Step through the remainder of the installer accepting the defaults, then click Finish. Back in the Downloads directory, copy draw.war to your clipboard. Then navigate to the Apache Tomcat installation directory inside C Program Files. Paste the draw.war file in the Web Apps directory. After a few seconds, the draw.war file should be extracted, creating a draw subdirectory. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :8000/draw. Welcome to Draw.io, running natively on your Windows device.